In recent months, one of the best digital currency options is Cardano, ADA. However, even if you have yet to donate up to this point, you're still within reach. And that is why, in this video, we have come up with a Cardano coin value for 2025 that will demonstrate why now is still a fantastic time to participate in this project. Welcome back to Crypto University, where you get all the latest content about crypto, NFTs, and the blockchain. Make sure to watch the full video and like it if you want to see more of this content. A quick note, we will never ask for your number or personal information, and we will certainly not contact you on WhatsApp, so please be aware of the scams and the spam comments in the comment section. Cardano is now the 6th largest digital currency of the globe, and it is expected to rise sooner rather than later. We should look at what makes Cardano so intriguing before we reveal our ADA cost predictions. Development of Cardano's value is lifted by expertise. The creator of Cardano, Charles Hoskinson, is not unique in his approach to creating digital currencies. His credibility and experience stand on their own as a fellow Ethereum donor with no problems. When Hoskinson and his team started working on the Cardano project, they realized that to create anything revolutionary, they needed to reevaluate how the world functions. They decided to ignore the creation of Bitcoin or Ethereum. They needed to create something entirely fresh. Thus, they would have preferred not to work on those plans at all. Then they started by asking themselves the most important questions and worked from there. Hoskinson informed his first 10,000 supporters of Cardano that the most important question was how many that establishment operate to create a digital currency that scales to billions of users. What should be at its core? In the end, it was determined that they had intended to create something that, over time, turned out to be more decentralized. The bigger it becomes, the faster it gets. They created a flexible framework, which many experts believe to be the finest organizational innovation to date. Cardano has a constantly increasing energy efficiency. A blockchain network named Cardano uses its cryptocurrency, called ADA. Its structure is intended to safely store data for a few reasons. In the context of finance, it refers to a decentralized system that may provide financial services to anyone anywhere in the world. Following the origin and nature of things is often used in farming. It can mimic the beginnings of drug items in medical services, making it more difficult to fake medications. It can also handle a large number of exchanges per second, TPS. Cardano can manage with up to 250 TPS compared to Ethereum's 13 TPS and Bitcoin's 7 TPS. That resolves one of the most significant problems with using digital forms of currency: sluggish exchange rates. That is only the beginning. It is currently in the process of going up to a Layer 2 structure that will effectively sustain its TPS. Up to 1 million TPS in network execution might be achieved with the Hydra redesign. Visa has the highest correlation at 24,000 TPS. The overhaul should significantly increase Cardano's adaptability, advancing its unique goal of being the most flexible digital currency network on the globe. Additionally, it created an eco-friendly organization. The firm uses just 6 GJoule of power annually thanks to the implementation of proof-of-stake systems. That is about equivalent to the energy used by 2 power plants each year, whereas Bitcoin uses more energy each year than the whole Netherlands. Cardano's progress will be greatly influenced by its continuous improvement process rather than its adaptability or energy efficiency. It is a buddy survey-based platform designed to let its clients evaluate any anticipated change. It was the first of its kind and is designed for people. It will eventually become a free organization when its clients make crucial decisions and its clientele grows. Its engineers created a 5-stage plan with the intention that Cardano will eventually become a fully self-supporting stage. Forecast for 2025 Cardano value. It is underrated, according to experts, and may be one of the most carefully constructed networks currently available. Cardano is still up 800% this year, even if it is down from its record high of $3.10. According to DigitalCoin, the ADA coin from Cardano could average $2.50 in 2022, before rising to $4.04 in 2025. Value expectation is a little more optimistic about ADA, expecting it to reach $4.40 in 2022, but average $6.57 by 2025, an increase of 401%. Wallet Financial, another supporter of ADA, forecasts gains of up to 776%, or $11.33 by 2025. Cardano, according to money-making crypto expert ScratchDark, might cost $15 per coin by 2022. From the current price of $1.35, that is a 1,000% gain. Again, that only applies to the following year. For 2025, anything is feasible. While ADA is essentially every cryptocurrency investor's first purchase, you need to keep building your portfolio after that. What do you think of today's video? Comment down below if you have any opinions on the topic. Make sure to watch more informational videos on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and come back for more videos like this one.